Alright, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now today I did inform you that we're going to be inside our Remix IDE, and I'm going to show you how we're going to send a transaction using our Remix and our contract that we have so far. So let's get everything pulled up. We have our file pulled up already. We're going to get and compile that. Let's get it compiled. Now, initially, I did send a transaction earlier, but I sent it from my MetaMask to the actual contract, and I wasn't able to send those funds back to my MetaMask. So I don't want to do that again. I'm just going to use two of the addresses from the actual Remix IDE. So we're going to come here. We're going to get this address here. This is for our price feed. Copy and paste that. You can see we're going to deploy it. Let's scroll down so we can see that it is deployed. You can see it's deployed here. Then we're going to open up the minimum price USD. We're going to get that price. We're going to copy and paste that. And we're going to place that here. Now what we're going to do is you can see here that we have a bunch of addresses. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take funds from this address and send it to this address here. So we're going to take this address. We're going to copy it. And we're going to put it in the address. Let them know this is the address we want to send the funds to. So we're going to paste that there. Then we're going to go back to our original address. As you can see there, you can notice both the prices. This one is 99, this one is 100. So let's close that back up, and then we're going to find we're going to hit the add address button to actually populate this wallet here. So that should get populated. You can see it is down here. So we're going to open it up. We're going to hit the fund button. Now you can see it's 105 because it did start out as 100, and we just sent it 5 ETH from our wallet. So let's go back and check both wallets. So you can see this one now says 94 and this one says 105, letting us know that we sent 5 ETH from this wallet to this wallet. So the contract that we have so far in its infancy, this isn't the full contract. This is just a small portion of it, but you can see the transaction portion is working. We were able to send 5 ETH from this wallet to this wallet. And you can see the reflection in the prices. This one was 99, now it's 94. This one was 100 ETH, now it's 105. And that's that. So that was the end of that actual module. And tomorrow we will be moving forward in a new module. So I'll keep you posted every step of the way. But for now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.